Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. So I'm back with another DIY low poly paper craft. Today we'll be building a sleeping raccoon. The design is by Animapapir and it's very easy to build. This low poly paper craft contains a total of 80 parts and you will need to prep each part before you can start the assembly process. So I'll be showing you how to prep one of the parts and you'll follow the same process for all the parts. The first step is to cut out the part. For cutting, use regular paper cutting knife and cut out the part along the solid lines. Do not cut along the dotted lines, they are for folding. Next step is to score the cutout part along the dotted lines. For that, use a metallic pencil and a scale to draw those creases on your cutout part. Next, transfer the numbers from the template back onto your cutout part, as you are going to need it to understand which two edges or which two parts to join together. And the last step is to fold your piece. So if you see a dashed and dotted lines, it's going to be a mountain fold, that is you fold outwards. And if you see a normal dotted line, it's going to be a valley fold or you fold it inwards. So follow the same folding process for all the folds in your cutout part. Using the same 4-step process, prep all your pieces and make them ready for assembly. We'll be using transparent glue to join the parts together and a toothpick to apply the glue on the folded flaps. Pick the first two parts and find an edge and a flap having the common number. Those will be the two that will be glued together. Using the toothpick, apply an even thin layer of glue onto the folded flap and then stick it with the edge with the same number. Follow the same process to keep gluing the pieces together and slowly the shape of your raccoon will start to form. And after gluing the last tail piece, this is how our cute little raccoon is going to look like. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye bye.